Pareti Mobile Walls presents How to Repack Your Heavy-Duty Trade Show Walls. Our heavy-duty trade show walls offer an affordable way to display heavy products at trade shows. Packing away after an exhausting trade show is never an easy thing to do, but it will help keep your display in good condition after each use. We created this video to show you the most efficient way to wrap your walls so they're ready to ship to your next destination. Our standard 8-foot trade show walls weigh about 100 pounds each, and our standard 10-foot trade show walls weigh around 120 pounds each. Depending on the trade show walls you're using, be sure each person who will carry or wrap the walls is capable of comfortably lifting 50 or 60 pounds. You will need your crate packing diagram, a trade show table or folding table, packing tape, bundle wrap, edge protectors, foam wrap, white gloves or clean gloves so your walls don't get fingerprinted. You'll also need a drill you use to set up your display. The packing plan. First, refer to your packing plan. Pareti designs a specific packing plan for each crate we fill. Knowing how the pieces fit in the crate will help you save time. If you don't have a packing plan, contact us to request yours, and we'll provide it at no cost to you. The packing plan will show you which piece packs first and how it must be positioned in the crate. These correspond to the various walls in your set. Place the foam wrap on the table. If you use segmented foam wrapping, you'll average about 18 to 20 feet for most sections. Place the wall section over the foam. Wrap the foam over the walls and secure it with packing tape. Place edge protectors along the sides of each edge of the wall. Tape each section onto the foam to hold it into place. Bundle wrap will also help secure the edge protectors and foam. Place the wall into the crate according to your packing plan. Wrapping T and L sections. Similar to flat sections, count out 20 feet of foam wrapping onto a table and center the wall section on top of the foam. Wrap one half of the T or L widthwise and use 2 to 4 sections to cover the opposite side. Tape these into place with packing tape. Place the edge protectors on all edges, taping them into position as well. Finish with the bundle wrap to secure all parts and place into the crate according to your packing plan. When completed, seal up the crate using the Phillips screws that came with your crate. A 10-foot booth should take a little over an hour to wrap, pack, and close up the crate. Thanks for checking into Pareti Mobile Walls. We look forward to serving you. Remember to hit the subscribe button to hear customer testimonials, case histories, and more tips on how to use our products.